So you're in for Chuck here today.
Yes.
So what's the, I mean, this has to be unprecedented. Almost 3 nor'easters here in the same amount of time. What's causing this right now?
We're stuck in what we call a trough and ridge pattern. So we have this wave that sets up over the United States. What we have right now is we have this ridge over the eastern part of the U.S. And that's really keeping us in the cold zone. And it's also allowing some of these stronger storms to make their way up the east coast. Luckily, kind of for us, where that upper atmospheric pattern sets up, it does keep us clear of any major winter storms. So I guess that's the positive in this. You can see just that massive storm system spinning its way outward through the Atlantic Ocean this morning. And for us, everything is mostly clear. That is translating to some colder temperatures. So as you make your morning drive, pretty similar to yesterday, might even have to deal with a sun glare for a little bit. Very cold wind chill values dropping into the lower 20s. Some of us in the teens this morning might have to head out a little bit earlier. Make sure your windows are clear of any frost. We're talking those kind of conditions. We'll get into the afternoon, and that's when we'll increase that chance for the scattered snow showers and potentially those snow squalls that could reduce visibility. So high temperatures today going to hold steady in the mid to upper 30s here at Indianapolis. Most of us with temperatures that are conducive of producing this scattered snow. And the main timeline here is this afternoon and this evening, while snow is projected to be ongoing through early tomorrow morning. The main hazard, those snow squalls setting up, visibility quickly reduces with that. The snow is so heavy it could locally bring up to an inch in some spots of central Indiana. So we're going to watch that closely over the next 24 hours before we can get the system to move out. We'll pause Future Track 13 here right at noon. So expecting our first few flurries to start flying around from Tipton to Muncie over to Richmond by around lunchtime today. We get into the afternoon. Everybody fair game to see the snow. Sets up through Indianapolis to Crawfordsville to Lafayette. That will continue into the southern half of the state, getting into the evening tonight. Pausing here at 9 o'clock. We're talking Terre Haute to Bloomington. Underneath of one of these snow squalls could again create some slick spots, very widespread coatings of snow across a lot of our local roads. By tomorrow morning, most of this event will start to wrap up. We'll lose that moisture source. Could still squeeze out a stray lake-enhanced snow shower across the northern half of Indiana. Beyond that, though, the sky will start to clear out. We'll see some sunshine and some improvements for the second half of the day on Wednesday, and that's going to set us up for a sunny Thursday. So come tomorrow morning, flurries will be possible. Still cold, though, to get the day started. 33 at lunchtime tomorrow. Then for that evening drive home, we'll see a little sun, but overall temperatures remain well below average through the middle part of the week with highs only around 41 degrees for our Wednesday. Thursday will be the pick of the week. Sunshine and highs back near 48, very close to that seasonal average of 51. And this is where the changes have rolled in. We have been monitoring a boundary that's going to set up on Friday, and it looked like we were in the warm sector. So temperatures look like we could have gotten back into the 50s, but that has since sunk south. So that has changed our wind flow pattern. That's going to take the temps down. So at this point, looks like we're only going to be in the low to mid 40s heading into the weekend, possibly looking at a wintry mix to start our St. Patrick's Day. But enjoy it.
All right. I would say thank you, but I'm tired of the wintry mixes.